YouTube, check it out. It's your boy LS Swap Guru, and I got something a little different for you guys today. I actually posted this video a couple weeks ago asking if I should bring this car out of retirement and finish it. This wasn't my build. It was actually a Pac-Man build, and he built this car. Well, you know, we started building it together about, I don't know, a couple months ago, like a while ago actually. And I don't know what happened. The car kind of just sat for a minute. Long story short, I didn't finish the car. I didn't complete the car. But what I would like to say is the car is pretty much done. Now, I just want you guys to check it out. It's I don't know what year this damn thing is, but I think it's like a 73 Corvette. And guess what it has on it? Holley Terminator X. Holley Terminator X, man. I want you guys to check this out right here. Can you see it? Oh, shoot. It's back there. Holley Terminator X, man. So that's the system. Everybody been like, oh, what is your thoughts on the Terminator X and all that stuff? This is the thing. If you're doing a stock car or something like that, the Terminator X might, I don't know. I never ran it before, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just know a lot of people hit me up. So I hate the fact that Holley sells this thing and say that it's a self-tuning kit. It's a self-tuning kit for sure, but for maximum power, people are still asking me and a few other tuners that I know to tune them things as well. And honestly, like with the software and downloading, it's not worth my time to do it. So what I decided to do is, I don't know which car I'm going to do it on, but I'm actually going to buy this kit out of my pocket, out of my money, and I'm going to run this kit for the channel. So you guys let me know in the comments below, what car should I run the Holley Terminator X on? Should I run it on whenever I get the 96 Impala LS3 T56 swap, or should I just run it on a wagon? I'm still getting the motor together. I don't know if it's going to be the 5.7 or 6.0, but it is going to be a turbo. So for boosted applications, I heard the Terminator X is good. And for stock applications and trying to get more power, I heard it's not all that great. But let me know, should I run the Terminator X kit? Should I buy it? This kit is not cheap. It's about I think it's about 1,400 bucks. But the thing is, though, I'm gonna break it down to you guys. Check out that Corvette, man. Corvette. Show you guys the inside. These things are just, man, it's hard for me to sit inside of them, man. Oh, and this thing does have a Dakota dash in it. Show you guys that. I don't have the key, so I can't start it. And plus the battery dead. Let me see. Yeah, the battery back there, the thing is dead or whatever, and it don't got no brakes. But check that out. Can y'all see that? It does have a Dakota. Damn. It does have a Dakota dash. Yeah, buddy. So it's gonna be a super clean car when it's done or whatnot. So and this is the adjustable fuel pressure regulator. I'm getting away from the Corvette stuff. You know what? I'm actually going to have to switch mine out. This looks a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. I think I'm going to have to go with air motive. I got a little Chinese one on there right now. It works, but just that symbol right there looks way more sexier. So I think I'm going to swap mine out. But yeah, man, 70-something Corvette. It has a 5.3 4L60E. It has a LS Simple bracket and also mounts 5.3 4L60E, LS6 intake. Y'all always talking about, oh, Corvette. It ain't a Corvette motor, but it is a Corvette car, man. So let me know what you guys think, man. Please, please, please. Like, subscribe, show love. Hit the thumbs down if you's a bum. And get your paper, because you know your boy, 2021, I'm going to get mine. And I got a lot more content coming. I got a lot more great content coming. You guys going to see some clean swaps coming soon. Here's another 6.4 that's about to get swapped. My granddad. Ooh. Granddad got the 6.4 in that thing. Hard top, but it's a 6.4. But anywho's, I'll get back with y'all in a minute, man. I gotta get some stuff done today. So, ooh-wee. Don't forget to leave it in the comments on which vehicle. Don't forget to leave it in the comments on if I should run the Terminator X, and if I should, what vehicle. And I'm ready to get some work done. Peace.